This YouTube channel has absolutely blown up, going from 0 to 34,000 subscribers in just 3 months. What if I told you that the owner behind this channel earns thousands of dollars using AI softwares that are entirely free for anyone to use? By using AI, they create story animations that are simple and enjoyable for everyone. The name of the channel is Bible in a Nutshell. We can see that they have thousands of views on each video, and they have posted only 27 long-form videos, with the oldest one being 3 months ago. According to Social Blade, they are making between $435 to about $7,000 per month, which is really good. Before I show you how easy this is to replicate, let me prove the monetization of this channel. To do that, we can come to this site, put the channel domain here, and we can see that this channel is monetized. So this will be a step-by-step tutorial on how to create this type of AI animated stories for your Faceless YouTube channel for completely free using the power of AI, starting from generating ideas and scenes, creating stunning 3D images, to high-quality AI generated animations. So what's coming up is truly mind-blowing. So the first step in this process is to generate our script. I will walk you through what I did, and all prompts will be in the description. First, I asked ChatGPT with this prompt: can you give me a non-existing Disney Pixar-style animated story with 2 characters? Think of unique duos like a brave hero with angel wings and a mysterious creature. And he came up with this story. Then I asked him to give me 10 more ideas, and he came up with this one. I liked the story number 3 and asked him if he could expand on it and create chapters in the story and to describe each scene in detail. He did that, but it was too complicated for the viewer. So I asked him if he could make it suitable for 7-10-year-olds and to replace Bristleback and Glimmerwhisk with a boy and a girl in the script and scenes. He changed the characters to a boy and a girl and gave me scenes and prompts that would help me generate the images in the next step. So we're going to start by opening up Leonardo AI and click on Image Generation. You can choose 3D animation style or albedo base. Both models give great results, but I'll go with albedo base. In Leonardo, you can generate 150 images for free every day. The first thing I will do is choose to generate 2 images. Then make sure to turn off everything on this panel because these extra features will cost you a lot more credits. Lastly, since I'm making a long-form YouTube video, I'll change the aspect ratio to 16:9. To help you get started, I will explain how to easily generate the images. First, you'll write the boy, girl, forest, or whatever is in your script. Then, describe the scene, and finally, specify the style, in this case, Disney Pixar movie style. For example, a boy named Finn, dressed as a hero with a helmet and sword, and a girl named Luna explore the Whispering Ruins, solving magical puzzles amidst giant stones and vibrant flowers, Disney Pixar movie style. Click Generate and wait for the results. If you don't like the images, generate more or change the scene description until you get the desired result. Now that you understand how to generate images, the next important step is to upscale the image to achieve the best possible quality. So download the images you like and go to the site. You will find the link in the description. Just drop the image here. Click on 4x and upscale. Wait for 3 seconds and it will download. Now that we have our images, let's go ahead and start animating each of these images. To animate, we'll be using Pika Labs. With Pika Labs, you can generate some seriously awesome animations. Just sign in using your Google or Discord account and you're in. Once you're logged in, your dashboard should look something like this. These are the animations generated by other people, and the bottom area here is where you'll manage your video production. You'll have your prompt box, the ability to upload images or videos, video options over here, your motion controls, and parameters. So we'll take this image and bring it in. We don't actually need a text prompt here. Instead, you can use the motion control tab and choose a camera control, where you have panning controls, tilting controls, rotation controls, and zooming controls, along with a slider for the strength of motion. You also have the option for negative prompting. There are already negative prompts inserted, but if you want, you can add more too. Now that everything is set up, hit Generate. Give it a couple of seconds, and here are our results. Let's see how it turns out. The animation came out great. As you can see, The animation lasts for 3 seconds, but you have options like retry, reprompt, and edit. But if you upgrade your account, you'll be able to extend the animation for 4 seconds and make it 7 seconds. However, the free plan is enough to start with. When you're done generating videos, just download them and they're yours. After generating videos, it's crucial to upscale them. CapCut offers a powerful and free online upscaler. Simply drag your video here, click Upscale, and see the difference. The next step is voiceover script creation. Returning to ChatGPT, we are now focused on crafting a voiceover script. This script needs to do more than just narrate. It has to capture the soul of our video. To achieve that, I provided this prompt, which you will find in the description. With the script ready, go to 11 Labs or Play HT to generate a voiceover. Both tools offer a free plan and all go with Play HT. Just paste your script, choose your voice, hit generate, and download it. Now that you have all the elements you need, let's put everything in CapCut. Simply import all your elements into your editing program and edit the video to your liking. Let me explain what I did. I placed a video that best represents what the voiceover is saying. Then I added transitions between my videos, and then I added music and sound effects from Mixkit and Pixabay. The last thing I did was add a bit of caption to the story. To do that, go to Text, select Auto Caption, choose the language. I chose English, click on Create, and it automatically generates captions at the very top. You can then customize the font, text size, color, and add animations to the text according to your taste. Let's play this, and you can see how it turned out.
In a realm cloaked in enchantment, where shadows whispered secrets and trees held ancient tales, a young boy named Finn stumbled upon the entrance to an extraordinary world. Little did he know, this discovery would unravel a destiny intertwined with the very essence of the Forgotten Realm. As Finn touched the surface of the portal, a radiant glow emerged, beckoning a companion. Luna, a girl filled with the magic of curiosity, stepped into the light. Together, their connection ignited a brilliance that would mark the beginning of an extraordinary journey. From ancient ruins and playful puzzles, Finn and Luna ventured, their laughter echoing through the whispering ruins.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Your support helps me make more videos like this. If you're interested in exploring other niches for YouTube, click on this video here. Thank you for watching.